If you're restoring the front end of your G-body, some parts can be pretty hard to find. Fortunately, here, we've got you covered. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today, we're going to be looking at our 1982 and 83 Malibu and 1982 to 87 El Camino headlight bezels. These are available individually or in a pair at a discounted price. The headlight bezels are manufactured from injection molded ABS plastic using case-hardened steel tooling. This ensures an accurate part every time. All parts are finished with a bright chrome plating for that mirror-like appearance. In addition, the bezels feature the correct mounting holes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.